Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need to verify build and CPU features first. Check Settings System About for your OS build and use Task Manager to confirm virtualization is enabled. Once done, reboot into UEFI/BIOS and turn on Intel VTX or AMD. This enables nested virtualization later. Make sure developer mode is enabled in settings to allow sideloading tools. Then download a supported Hyper-V alternative installer package. Don't install yet. Prepare files in a known folder so the next steps run smoothly. Now you'll perform the complex installation. Open PowerShell as an administrator and run the enablement script or use DISM to add the Hyper-V capability packages provided for home. After package install, enable the Hyper-V platform and Hyper-V GUI features, then reboot. Once back, open Hyper-V Manager, create a virtual switch for NAT or bridged networking, and create a VHDX with appropriate size. Assign CPU cores and RAM based on host capacity, because resource allocation prevents VM thrashing when you start. To finish, power on the VM and proceed with the guest OS installation. Afterwards, install integration services or enhanced session plugins for better performance. If Hyper-V fails to start, check bcdedit/enum to ensure hypervisor launch type is set to auto, and double-check UEFI virtualization remains enabled. Firmware can revert after updates. Make sure Device Guard or Credential Guard are disabled because they can block Hyper-V. If problems persist, update BIOS and chipset drivers, then repeat the enablement steps and reboot to confirm the hypervisor launches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.